Welcome to another video, guys. I'm just honestly happy to put out this video today because I think that understanding exactly how digital products can help you or can be leveraged is something that not many people understand, or they don't get the concept of it. So I'm going to give you a little bit of a history on how things have been evolving over the last few decades. But also I'm going to talk to you about some key elements about it. So Tips with Dave, that's myself. My name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave. And I put out this post, this status on Facebook, which basically says digital products have given me so much in life. Heck, that's why I sell them. The reason why I put it out so simply is because it's true. I want you to go through the information. Let's say that you were in school, and then from school to college, what has been happening now. For me personally, this is the journey that I took in my educational journey, let's say academic journey, let's say, that a lot of the things that I was doing in writing and stuff like that are all now digital. I can have the universities are going digital. They're teaching, they're having courses. You can find books and products that help you with skill sets, with the real life scenarios of things, and it just makes sense to have digital products. You alone can make digital products, and you have platforms which you can sell your digital products in order for you to earn, or have free courses, have lessons. You don't need to be stuck in an actual job with regards to it. Okay, so digital products, in my opinion, are the future in the way that things are going in a billion-dollar industry like education itself. Digital products are something that is you can't avoid it. You can't run from it right now, because people said that about the internet, and look what the internet's become. People said that about Facebook, and look what it's become. People have said that about Instagram, and look what it's become. These are all digital products. If you look at the last decade, the amount of digital companies that have come out with products and services is phenomenal. So don't underestimate the fact that digital is here to stay. Okay, there are three main reasons I want to talk about digital products that I sell, and one of the educational digital products that I sell is related to business itself, and it's in the form of through a company which is now, I think, over 2 years that has been online, called Easy1Up. And I'm going to just go through the product line and show you a little bit of how it so it's going to tell you how it works right here. But these are the products. So you have, like, basically, as you can see right here, you have different training modules and products related to business. So you get network marketing basics. If you want to start affiliate marketing, you can do that. Educational products right here. Course with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 things for just $25. That is powerful, man. That's powerful. Then you have $100 product with even more information, and then you have a $250 product with even more information. Then you have 500 with even more information, and then 1,000 with even more information, and then 2,000 with even more information. The point of showing you all of this is these are all digital products created, okay, by successful people. It depends on the content and the value that you put in, but these are all digital products. Now, one of the reasons why I like Easy1Up, firstly, is the content itself that they provide, the education that they provide, which is, even though it's here, they keep updating it, and when they update it, they update the website, but they add relevant content in today's day and age, what works. Okay, that's the beauty of it. I am at the $250 level, and I like the $250 level because I get this, I pay $250, and I get this, and this. So let's firstly write information, info. Oops. Yeah, let's write info. Information is firstly why I love digital products. Secondly, you can earn instant commissions. Let me repeat that for you. You can earn instant commissions with Easy1Up. So, for example, if you buy the $25 product, and it's working for you, you like the information, you're implementing it and stuff like that, and you tell somebody asks you, where do you get this information from? You send them to Easy1Up and say, this is the place, and provide them with your link, and they say, okay, fine, I'm going to buy it. You get $25 directly. So the second thing that I like is that it gives you 100% commissions. Okay. Just going to leave it like that because I don't want to, end up, just going to leave it as C. Okay. 100% commissions, instant commissions, I must say, instant commissions. Okay. That goes directly to your preferred payment method. Okay. That's the second reason why I love this product. Okay. And the third reason is that it is digital. Okay. The third reason, it is because it is accessible and easy to understand. Accessible and easy to understand. So I'm using all abbreviations right now. Accessible and easy to understand. Information provided, 100% commissions, accessible and easy to understand. And you get, like, it's instant, guys. So you buy the product, you can use the product, you can implement the product, you can sell the product, you can reuse it again, and this is for a lifetime. Okay, you pay once and that's it. And each sale that you make, you get that amount. Each sale that you make, you get that amount. So it's one-time purchase only. Now, if you want to know more information about how I leverage specifically through a strategy that I call the Pro system, yeah, let's put it here, the Pro system, okay, is a system I built myself, which is a strategy that includes Easy1Up in the whole strategy. And this is how I'm making sales in Easy1Up, and I'm growing and I'm leveraging Easy1Up to educate myself and as well earn commissions. There's no other universities that provide this kind of thing because they have teachers to fund, to pay, and stuff like that. This is products that are digital and that you can leverage. So think about this aspect before you go ahead and actually make any decision. Do your due diligence about Easy1Up. This is not a video on Easy1Up specifically. I'm just talking about digital products, and I think that Easy1Up for me is phenomenally one of the best digital products that I own. So if you're interested in looking at the Pro system, there are links in the description of this video. And if you like the content that you receive, the value that you receive, then definitely hit the subscribe button and the bell notification for any future videos. Have a great day. Keep it up and pave the way for your dreams to come true, guys. I'm going to see you on the next video.